Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Kushita Kalapu's traditional sari fashion is an exquisite celebration of elegance and grace, showcasing a remarkable balance between traditional aesthetics and modern sensibilities. She is known for embracing the timeless beauty of saris, and her sartorial choices in this segment radiate sophistication and cultural pride. Whether she's draped in rich silks, delicate chiffons, or hand-woven cotton, each sari worn by Kushita reflects her attention to detail and passion for authentic ethnic wear. A fan of vibrant colors, she often opts for bold and beautiful hues like royal blues, vibrant reds, deep greens, and subtle pastels, ensuring that her looks are eye-catching while retaining a classic appeal. The actress also brings a unique versatility to her sari styling, demonstrating how the same traditional garment can be worn for various occasions. For festive events, she chooses heavy, embellished saris that are adorned with intricate zari work, sequins, and beads, elevating her look with a regal touch. She pairs these saris with intricately designed blouses, often featuring deep necklines, embellishments, or contrasting colors that enhance the overall ensemble. Her affinity for gold and temple jewelry further accentuates the traditional charm, as she complements her saris with statement necklaces, heavy jhumkas, and bangles, adding a royal touch to her appearances. For more casual or daytime events, her sari choices lean towards softer fabrics such as linen, cotton, or lighter silks, allowing her to stay comfortable yet fashionable. Her penchant for minimalistic designs, whether it's a simple zari border or subtle prints, shows her ability to make even understated looks appear chic and polished. She often opts for solid-colored saris with a contrasting blouse or light, geometric patterns, which are ideal for summer outings or family gatherings. One of the key highlights of her traditional sari fashion is how she experiments with blouse designs to complement the sari. From sleeveless, halter necks to full sleeves and boat necks, her blouses often introduce a contemporary twist to her ethnic outfits. Her hairstyles and makeup play a pivotal role in enhancing the traditional vibe. With neatly tied buns, sometimes adorned with jasmine flowers, or soft, wavy hair cascading down, she ensures that her overall look is complete. Her makeup choices are subtle, with a focus on enhancing her eyes in a bold lip color that complements the sari. Her ability to mix and match different styles, while staying true to the traditional essence of saris, makes her fashion choices incredibly appealing to women across various age groups. She inspires her audience not only to embrace the sari but to also have fun with it, playing around with different draping styles and accessories. Whether she's wearing a Kanjivaram sari for a wedding or a simple cotton sari for a casual day out, her fashion sense speaks of a deep connection with Indian culture and its heritage. Every time Kushita steps out in a sari, it's a testament to the enduring beauty of this traditional garment, and how it continues to remain relevant in modern times through innovative styling and personal expression. Her traditional sari fashion extends beyond just the fabric and colors. Her keen sense of how to style a sari adds a distinct flair to every outfit she dons. While the classic navy drape remains a favorite, she doesn't shy away from experimenting with regional drapes, adding variety and depth to her sari looks. Whether it's the Gujarati drape, where the pallu is styled in the front, or the Bengali style with its structured pleats, the actress beautifully adapts these techniques to fit the occasion, allowing her to celebrate the diversity of Indian culture through her wardrobe. This versatility in draping not only enhances her style but also reflects her respect for the heritage and traditions associated with sari wearing across different regions. Her accessory game is equally strong, as she carefully curates jewelry pieces to match her sari and blouse combinations. For heavily embellished saris, she often goes for traditional temple jewelry, with chunky gold necklaces, layered chains, and ornate mantikas that bring a regal touch to her look. When she opts for lighter saris or more minimalistic designs, her jewelry tends to be more understated yet impactful. Think delicate silver jhumkas, simple pearl strings, or subtle chokers that add a touch of elegance without overwhelming the outfit. Her ability to balance the heaviness or lightness of accessories depending on the sari shows her finesse in creating a well-rounded, harmonious look. Her sari choices are not just about aesthetics, they also embody comfort and practicality, making her fashion relatable and inspiring for her followers. She often incorporates functional elements into her outfits, such as opting for blouses with intricate bag designs or blouses that offer a snug yet comfortable fit, allowing ease of movement while still maintaining a fashionable edge. She's been seen wearing blouses with deep-cut backs adorned with tassels or lace-up details. This attention to comfort without sacrificing style is a hallmark of her fashion sense, making her a relatable icon for modern women who want to embrace tradition while keeping practicality in mind. Her choice of footwear also plays a vital role in elevating her sari looks. Whether she's pairing her saris with traditional jutis, embellished sandals, or heeled kolhapuris, Kushita ensures that her footwear is perfectly in sync with the outfit, providing both style and comfort. The coordination of colors, materials, and even patterns in her footwear reflects her meticulous approach to fashion, where no detail is too small to overlook. In addition to her impeccable styling, her makeup choices are always on point, enhancing her natural beauty while complementing the overall vibe of the sari. For grand occasions, her makeup tends to be bold and glamorous, with shimmery eyeshadow, winged eyeliner, and a bold lip color like deep red or plum, which pairs beautifully with the richness of her traditional saris. For more casual or daytime looks, she goes for a softer, more dewy finish, with nude lips, flushed cheeks, and subtle eye makeup that keeps the focus on the sari while maintaining an effortlessly chic appearance. Her ability to switch between glam and natural looks based on the sari she's wearing highlights her versatility and adaptability in the fashion world. Another key element of her traditional sari fashion is how she incorporates various regional textiles and handloom creations into her wardrobe. From Banarasi silks with their luxurious weaves to lightweight Maheshwari saris and earthy handloom cottons, she champions local craftsmanship through her fashion choices. By wearing these artisanal pieces, she not only looks stunning but also supports the rich textile heritage of India. Her love for traditional weaves is evident, and she often pairs these saris with intricately designed blouses that either match or contrast perfectly, enhancing the overall aesthetic of the outfit. Her sari looks often have a storytelling element to them, evoking nostalgia for classic Indian fashion while incorporating modern elements to keep them relevant. Her traditional choices don't just stop at the sari and accessories but extend to the entire visual presentation, including her poise, posture, and demeanor while wearing the sari. Whether it's posing gracefully for photo shoots or attending cultural events, Kushita carries herself with an air of confidence and poise that enhances the beauty of the sari itself. Her impeccable sense of style, combined with her grace and charm, makes her a source of inspiration for women who want to embrace their traditional roots while adding their unique flair. Kushita also redefines the relationship between saris and modern lifestyle. In an age where Western wear often dominates fashion conversations, she shows that the sari can be equally versatile for modern women. Be it at family gatherings, cultural events, or even more casual, day-to-day settings, her ability to wear saris confidently and comfortably presents them as an everyday fashion choice, not just limited to formal events or weddings. Her ability to explore diverse sari fabrics, experiment with blouse styles, draping techniques, and accessorize with finesse ensures that every sari she wears becomes a fashion statement. Whether for weddings, festivals, or everyday wear, her sari choices resonate deeply with women who appreciate the timeless beauty of this Indian garment. Through her fashion, she reminds her audience of the elegance, grace, and versatility that a sari offers, making her a true icon in the world of traditional fashion. And if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.